Okay, we got our first setup done for 2022. We're here in Sidney, right down the street from our house. May Days Festival at Rolling Hill Skating Rink. We did this last year. This year we got our new Cork gun with us. It's our first spot in 8 months. Last time we operated was last September. I can't say that I'm really excited to get started again. I wish I had 8 more months off. But anyway, here we go. So this new Cork gun, the May Days is held here at Rolling Hill Skate. And we got carnival rides, games. They sell wristbands that allow you to do skating and bowling along with the rides. We also got a lot of food, a lot of carnival food out front. We got some guys here finishing up the last ride. Over here we got all the food. Got all kinds of food here. Just about anything you could want. We've got it here. The skating rinks behind these food trailers. And down here next to the last food trailers, the bowling alley, Belmar Lanes. Like I say, you can bowl as part of the wristband. Behind this food trailer, they're going to do entertainment. A couple more rides over here. We'll get a full video of this place with drone, GoPro, and probably some cell phone videos. We probably won't get that uploaded to YouTube as a full video till the season's over. It's awful hard working full-time jobs and doing this. Here's Sonia in her new game trailer. What do you think?
It's nice. Fun to learn.
Would you rather work this game trailer or work our old Euro bungee?
Run the game trailer.
That's what I thought. Well, if you're close to Sidney, get yourselves down here. Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
We have prize every time.
All done with setup. It's a new season. Don't know what to expect.
New adventures.
The
new places, new people, new faces.
The gas prices are too damn high.
Should have took a year off.
If you look across the street, it's $4.24 for gas, $5.19 for diesel. You know, our expenses are up. Our customers' cost of living is up. Our stock prices are up.
You find it.
If you can find it, you're happy to pay it because you can't find a lot of things. And without stock, you don't have games. So it's going to be an interesting year. We'll see how it all shakes out. This year we've added 2 trailers. Last year we ran with the dozer, the digger. I think we did the high striker one time. Now we've got all of those, plus we've got a cat rack and this Cork gun here. So we'll see how it goes. See you down the road.